Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to remove your profile picture on Facebook. So Facebook makes it pretty hard to remove your profile picture on Facebook. So I'll show you guys how to remove your profile picture. Once you remove your profile picture, it will turn to the default Facebook profile picture. So it's the one that doesn't have any face on it or anything like that. So if you want to do that, first things first, head over to your Facebook app. And once you're on your Facebook app here, you're going to want to head over to your profile. So you can either do that by on the homepage just clicking on your profile picture in the top left corner, or by clicking on the three bars in the bottom right corner, bringing you to the menu screen. And here on the menu screen, you're going to want to click on see your profile at the very top of the screen. If you click on that, it'll bring you to your profile page. Here on your profile page, you're going to want to click on your profile picture. It should just be your normal profile picture. It will be a really big circle picture. And if you click on that, these options will show up right here. So just click on your profile picture. It should be really big and it's right in the middle of the screen. Not middle, but it should be pretty obvious. And once you click on it, click on view profile picture. You'll be brought to this page here. And on the view profile picture option, in the top right corner, there should be three dots. If you click on that, then these options will come up here. I'll just save it real quick so that I can actually delete it and show you guys. But if you click on delete photo, which is the very top option, then you can just click on delete after it shows that. And then if you delete it, it will completely get rid of it and you'll have the default Facebook profile picture. So that is how you remove your profile picture on Facebook. So you might want to save it if you want to save your profile picture, but if you don't, you can just go ahead and delete it right away. So I hope this video is helpful. If it was, I'd really appreciate a like, subscribe. Leave any questions you have in the comment section below. I'll do my best to answer them, and I'll see you guys next time.